Hornady Z-Max rounds, that's these ballistic tips with the green compared to the standard ball ammo. So we're going to shoot the Springfield XD40 caliber subcompact. Let's shoot the normal round first. Do that again with the Zombie Max round, and we'll see what that does. You guys ready? Looks like shit. A little more damage. Let's shoot that one more time for good measure. Alright, let's check it out. Well, if you can see, let me see the camera. With the regular lead ball, we leave pretty clean holes right through the milk jugs. I mean, they're all dead, that's for sure. They're all bleeding. And as you can actually see, this one back here is still bleeding. But these have actually all been emptied. There's nothing, no life left in these. Alright, we're going to do one more test of these Z-Max Hornady rounds. See what they do to 5 Ziploc bags full of sand. Alright, let's see. Let's check it out. 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bag, 4 bag. We will now find the bullet. That's a rock. There we go. It's a pretty good expansion, I would say, down from the original 40. I believe that would kill a zombie. Hornady Z-Max for the win. Thanks, Hornady, for making awesome bullets.